so you can start coming in. I can't find them.
You can't find it?
I don't know what to do. Fuck. Ricky's calling him now. What the fuck are you talking about? How? I was outside and he was outside and I came inside to talk to my grandma and then I came outside and now I can't find him. You're such a liar, bro. Yoda! You're such a liar. I just was in here and he wasn't in here. Exactly, Gaby, he was outside. I went inside to go talk to my grandma and then I forgot he was outside. Yoda! I don't fucking know. Oh my god. How can you fucking leave the dog outside? Okay, I was literally outside chilling and then I came inside the door to talk to my grandma and I forgot he was outside. But who thinks that way? I don't know, Gabby, I don't know. Did you see anything outside? Why are you like smirking and smiling? I'm not. Yes, you are. You have a stupid ass fucking face. Why are you smiling like that? Why? What is that face? You're a prank. Yeah, you're a fucking retard. For waking up everyone, stupid. Now Abel's fucking crying and shit. You know, you're a fucking idiot. Okay guys, so this is one of the shirts that I got. Its material seems good, honestly. It feels comfortable, it doesn't feel too tight. This is a size small. And yeah, I like it with a pair of jeans or even some leggings would look cute with this. But I love sunflowers, so that's why I got the shirt. You can even tie it in the middle here if you don't want like so loose. And I like it tied, like the little knot in the middle here. But yeah, looking good so far. So this is my second shirt that I ordered. I believe it's a small, but it feels like an extra small because it is really tight. Not really tight, but yeah, it's tighter here, just in the arm areas here. I thought it was gonna be actually longer, but yeah, it's still wearable. It's just a little tight. Okay guys, so I also ordered this butterfly shirt because I love butterflies. And I got the skirts. I don't really wear skirts that much, but I don't know, I thought it was cute. And there's so many like skirts, I guess, now trending, and I want to give it a shot. So this is the outfit. I'm not gonna lie to you, it feels cheap. It feels like really thin. The skirt, it feels like paper thin. Like honestly, it feels like a costume. I'm not even gonna lie, but on me it doesn't feel like a costume. It feels like regular clothes, but I think it's pretty cute. I would probably continue buying skirts from them because girl, they look good. Okay guys, so this is my other option. This is not from Shein, I just have this in general. And yeah, I like this a lot. The other one just wasn't feeling it. There you go. So this is my option. Wow, okay, this shirt is like Hollister Abercrombie quality. It is so soft. Literally, c'est la vie Paris. 10 out of 10. So far, this has been my favorite shirt. I mean, it fits perfect, super soft, silky. It feels amazing quality. Love it, love it. So this shirt as well has been my... It's not a nipple, guys. I don't know what the fuck. Honestly, I rate this shirt an 8.5. I mean, super comfortable. It feels good. Feels great. I really like this shirt. Perfect for like a summer outfit. You can pair it with some shorts, some jeans. Okay guys, so I got a green tube top as well. And I paired it with these shorts. And I also got this necklace. I thought it was super cute. So yeah, same thing, same shirt, just different color. Yeah, and I really like it. But I just don't like this. It kind of like, I don't know, gives me weird vibes. But other than that, pretty good. Okay guys, I had to retie this part here because honestly it felt a little loose, I'm not gonna lie. But super cute shirt, I really like it. Just feels big. I don't know, feels like, I just tied it now so it's a lot better. But as you can see, I mean, you can barely like see this part. But yeah, so far, I mean, I like it. I like it. Not my favorite shirt, but definitely super cute, and I can probably wear this to go like for a brunch, to go to like a beach. So yeah, I would rate this a 6.5. Now for the bikinis. Ooh, so excited. So I got a black bikini. I love it so much. Look how back part looks. Feels comfortable, feels good, boobs are good, and my tattoo shows, which is good. This is the bottom. Definitely like it. I would rate this a 8.5. Oh, and I also got this necklace too. Thought it looked cute with the bikini. So this is my second bikini that I ordered. I like it. It just feels like there's curtains covering my boobs. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I guess I never saw it like that when I first bought it, but yeah, these are the bottoms. Super cute. You know, keeping it stuck. I also got this mini purse, so when I go out, I think it's so freaking cute. I found this so cute. Also got this purse as well. Thought it was just simple, super cute. I got these shoes and I tried them on and they seem pretty comfortable. Hey guys, so is Shein worth buying? The answer would be, to me, if you are not making mad money right now and like, you know, you're just working a regular job and you want to look cute, I think this is the perfect place for that. I do have to say that the size wasn't consistent as how I would like it to be. Some shirts were size small and it kind of ran big. Some were really tight. So for like design aspect, I'm really happy about. For example, like the sunflower shirt. Thankfully the color was like how I expected it to be, the design as well. So as for that, it came out really good. And pricing, honestly, I paid for about, I would say like $100, and I got a lot of items. So yeah, as for pricing, amazing, honestly, for what I got. So it is worth it, but like I said, some of the sizes and even quality. It's a little bit like the skirt was really thin, but like I said, you pay what you get for it. So by the way, this is no ad. I just want to help you guys decide what store you guys are looking for. But yeah, hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.